In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a PDF in Keap. This process is practical and straightforward, whether you're planning to include your PDF in an email broadcast or automation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate PDFs into your emails, enhancing your communication and providing valuable resources to your audience. First, let's head over to the Email Builder, which is where all the magic happens. If you're planning to use this PDF in your emails, whether it's a broadcast or part of an automation sequence, open the new Email Builder or navigate to the specific component where you're working on your email. This is your starting point for embedding your PDF. Now, moving on to uploading your PDF. Keap has a robust file management system where you can store your documents. If your PDF isn't already uploaded there, you'll need to do that first. You can find the option to upload under the File Management section within Keap. This is where Keap really shines, supporting not just PDFs, but also files like XLSX, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Next, you need to decide how you'd like to present your PDF download link in your email. You have two main options here, using a button or a text block. To use a button, simply drag it onto your email template. Once it's in place, take a look to the right pane. You'll see an option called Action Type. Here, you'll want to select File Download. This is the trigger that tells your button to start the PDF download when clicked. If you prefer using text instead, you can add a text block or simply use existing text within your email. Highlight the text you want to convert into a download link and then search for the link or hyperlink icon. Click on it, and again, under Action Type, choose File Download. This effectively transforms your selected text into a functional PDF download link. Now, let's get that PDF linked up. Assuming your PDF is successfully uploaded in Keap's file management system, you'll need to select it from the file list. When you do this, your button or hyperlink immediately links to that specific PDF, ready for your audience to download. Before wrapping up, take a moment to style the button or text link. You want to ensure it aligns with your brand's look and feel, so go ahead and adjust things like the text color and font to match your overall email design. This final touch helps maintain a professional appearance and ensures consistency across your communications. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you've now hosted a PDF in Keap and created easy access for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.